Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 今日のか I'm Ryusei. Today I'll show you 2 ways of salmon ochazuke. Before making it, please let me introduce a happy thing for me. A few days ago, my viewer gave me a comment. I like calligraphy food. I was so glad to hear that and you are interested in Japanese culture. I'm always grateful for your warm comments. And ochazuke is written by like this. The meaning of ocha is tea and zuke means soaked. So ochazuke is normally tea or dashi poured over the rice. And today I'll use the completely same ingredients to make both dishes. First one is normal and common style, and second one is upper class. However, it is not difficult. I hope this video will be interesting and informative for you. Yes, let's make it.
At first, I'll prepare the salmon. This salmon was caught in Miyagi Prefecture. I sprinkle the salt over the salmon. I add a bit much salt to eat the salmon with the rice and sensitive dashi. The salmon is the main flavor of this ochazuke. I turn over them and add the salt to the opposite side as well. Salmon is a very popular ingredient in ochazuke, but you can use other fishes in the same way. Okay, I let it stand for 15 minutes at room temperature. Then I'll cook the rice. You can prepare the rice as usual, but there is one tip. It is to cook the rice with a little bit less water. Although I used the donabe, you can use a rice cooker as well. Moreover, you can use leftover rice too. If you'd like to know how to cook the rice, please watch this video. Meanwhile, I'll introduce 2 ingredients. First, this is green tea, which was produced in Saitama Prefecture. And the brand name is Sayama-cha. Sayama-cha is one of the most popular and high-quality tea. It has rich flavor and harmonized with salmon ochazuke. And second, this is bubu arare. Bubu arare is often used to make ochazuke, and it's made from mochi rice. Bubu arare gives nice crispy texture and roasted flavor. It is not an essential ingredient, but if you find it, please give a try. 15 minutes later, let's cook the salmon fillets. I cook them with a grill. You can cook them with a pan as well. The look is good. I turn over them. Perfect. Let's make the salmon into flakes. First, I remove the skin. We can chop and add it ochazuke. Today, I don't use it. And I make them into flakes with chopsticks. We don't need to make them into 2 small pieces. The big pieces of salmon flake are also delicious. I've got beautiful salmon flakes. Next, this is mitsube. It is made in Ibaraki Prefecture. Mitsube adds refreshing aroma, and this green color makes the dishes beautiful. I trim off the root side, and I separate the leaves and stems. I use them in different ways. Good. Then I chop the stems finely. You can cut the stems any way you like. The reason of this cutting way is making the finish beautiful. I keep it in the fridge. I cut the leaves roughly. After that, I'll mix them with the rice and salmon flakes. You can use other vegetables instead of mitsuber. And if you find a good substitute, please teach me. Next, I'll prepare ochazuke dashi. I add 10 grams of Ryusei sauce, usukuchi, to 500 grams of dashi, and 2 pinches of salt. Okay, I'll heat it. Once the dashi is warm, I'll check the taste. The taste is delicate, and I feel a bit saltiness. I turn off the heat. Then I add 3 grams of saya matcha. Stir it gently and let it stand for 3 minutes. The tea releases the aroma and flavor. 3 minutes later, the aroma of green tea is so good. I strain the dashi in a sieve. Okay, ochazuke dashi is done. The rice is also ready. It's a bit firm texture, but this is the best for ochazuke. I turn over the rice and let it include the air. I transfer the rice to the bowl. It's about 300 grams. Then I add salmon flakes. Nice. And mitsuber. Beautiful. I mix them. Okay, I add white sesame seed. Nice. I mix them again. The rice is ready. This type of the rice is called maze gohan in Japanese. Let's arrange it on a rice bowl. Okay, then I top the salmon flakes on maze gohan. And bubu arare. Nice. Mitsuber. Nori seaweed. Finally, I put the hot dashi. Okay, ochazuke is done. いただきます。The dashi is sensitive flavor, and the smell of green tea is amazing. Ochazuke is a good menu for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Next, I put the water to my hands, and I'll make onigiri. Okay, and make the rice into the bowl. After that, I'll grease the onigiri, so I put a bit pressure on it to avoid it from collapsing while grilling. Okay, beautiful. Let's grill it. I grill onigiri with open fire. The level of fire is the lowest, and I make onigiri crispy and savory. I sometimes move and turn over it to grill all over onigiri. It burns so easily, please take care not to burn it. Almost perfect. Yaki onigiri is done. I arrange it on a bowl and I put the salmon flakes on it, nori seaweed, bubu arare, the stem of mitsuber, nice, At last, I put the dashi. The look is so delicious and beautiful. This ochazuke has a nice roasted aroma. Yaki onigiri chazuke is done. Let's eat it. いただきます。The dashi is more complex and rich flavor. It's so tasty. ごちそうさまでした。
Thank you. Did you enjoy? Both methods of ochazuke are good, but I personally recommend the second way. Crispy and roasted yaki onigiri is really well with the flavor of green tea. If you like, please teach me which way is good for you. I hope you will enjoy ochazuke. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.